breaking into YouTube feels impossible. You see countless creators with millions of views, and you wonder if there's even room for you. Here's the truth. There is room, but only if you approach it the right way. And the best way to start is by finding an unsaturated, low-competition niche. I've done the research for you and found that the geography niche has tons of potential with very low competition. In this video, I'll break down exactly how to make videos like this in the geography niche so that you can stand out and make a lot more money a lot sooner. If you want a more detailed, actionable breakdown of how to grow, automate, and run your YouTube channel, stay until the end of the video because I'll be sharing a secret community of YouTube experts who give actionable advice for free. Step 1. Generate video ideas. The first thing you need to do is come up with strong video ideas. This might sound simple, but it's where so many creators mess up. They either go too broad, trying to appeal to everyone, or too narrow, creating content no one is actually looking for. That's why we're starting with a tool that's going to make your life so much easier. Grok 3. Let's say you're interested in geography, or anything to do with exploring countries and cultures. Instead of sitting there scratching your head, thinking of what videos might work, use Grok to brainstorm ideas for you. Within seconds, you'll have a list of fresh, specific, and engaging ideas. The beauty here is that Grok doesn't just give you generic suggestions. With the right prompts, it can generate ideas that are hyper-specific and designed to grab attention, which is exactly what you need. But there's another angle you can use if AI isn't your thing, or you want something more current. Trending topics are another goldmine for ideas. Websites like Global News are perfect for this. Browse their articles and look for headlines that stand out. When you find a topic, think about how you can present it in a way that's both informative and entertaining. The goal is to hook viewers in with something they didn't know they wanted to learn about. Once you've got a topic in mind, write it down, because this is what we'll use in the next step. Step 2. Create a video script. This is where a lot of creators overcomplicate things. They either ramble on without structure, or freeze up, not knowing where to start. The solution is to let Grok help you again. For example, let's say the topic you picked is the most dangerous roads in the world. You could give a prompt like this. Grok will then generate a script that lays out key points, complete with a flow that keeps viewers interested. Of course, this isn't the end of it. You don't want to just copy and paste whatever Grok gives you. Take that script and put your own spin on it. Add your personality, your perspective, or your sense of humor. AI can give you the framework, but it's your unique voice that'll keep viewers coming back for more. If the AI suggests 3 roads, maybe you research a 4th one to add a little extra value. The more effort you put into making the script yours, the better the final product will be. Step 3. Generate a voiceover. Now, you don't need a professional studio setup or a fancy microphone to narrate your video. Tools like 11 Labs make it easy to create high-quality voiceovers with just a few clicks. Click the link in the description to sign up for a free account. Once you're in, look through the Voices library and choose a voice that fits the tone of your channel. Maybe something calm and engaging, or something a little more upbeat if that matches your style. Then, click on Text to Speech and paste your script in. Click Generate, then have a listen. If it sounds too robotic, tweak the script or the settings here in the bottom right, and try again. The trick is to keep things natural, so it feels like you're talking directly to your audience. Step 4. Find video material now. Let's move on to the visuals. This is where your video starts to come alive, and there are a few tools you'll need. For starters, Google Earth Studio is fantastic for creating those zoom-in effects on maps. Sign up for a free account using your email. Type in NA for organization and playing around with Google Earth Studio for the purpose. Once you've filled everything out, check your email for a link. Click on it to get started. But map animations aren't the only visuals you'll need. Static images can be just as effective, especially when you're highlighting specific countries or regions. ArcGIS Online is a great resource for detailed world maps. Search for the country or region you're focusing on, and take a screenshot or record your screen. These visuals are perfect for illustrating your points and giving your viewers a clear sense of place. To make your visuals even more engaging, add overlays and icons. For example, if you're talking about Italy, you could overlay an image of the Italian flag or an icon of the Colosseum. Websites like FreePic and Flaticon have tons of free resources you can use. Adding these elements makes your video more visually dynamic and helps break up long stretches of narration. Step 5. Edit your video. CapCut is one of the most beginner-friendly video editing tools out there, and it's got a great free plan that you can sign up for using the link in the description. Start by creating a new project and setting it to a 9:16 aspect ratio if you're making a short video. Import everything you've gathered so far: your voiceover, map animations, screenshots, overlays, and any stock footage you might have. Start by adding your voiceover to the timeline, then layer in the visuals at the right moments. For example, if your script talks about a specific road, show the Google Earth animation or a relevant map overlay as you're speaking about it. Captions are another important part of your video. Not only do they make your content accessible, but they also keep viewers engaged, especially those watching with the sound off. In CapCut, you can generate captions automatically. From there, customize the font, color, and style to match your video's overall aesthetic. Subtle text animations can also help draw attention to key points without feeling overwhelming. Finally, add background music. This doesn't need to be anything fancy, just a simple track that complements the tone of your video. You can use copyright-free music platforms like Upbeat and download music directly from here. Then, upload the music to your CapCut project. Adjust the volume so it doesn't overpower your voiceover, and you're good to go. Background music might seem like a small detail, but it makes a huge difference in how polished your video feels. At the end of all this, you'll have a polished video that combines interesting content, engaging visuals, and professional audio. Once you've gone through this process a few times, it becomes second nature. You'll find yourself generating ideas, creating scripts, and editing videos faster and with more confidence. If you have any questions about how to grow your YouTube channel, or if you want to learn about more specific tools and hacks, click the link in the description to join our free school community. Inside the Scale Society, we share exclusive tips and updates on growing automated channels, making money online, and we even do weekly giveaways. As you can see here, our members go through the 7-day YouTube Starter Challenge and learn how to launch their first faceless YouTube video in just 7 days. One of the most popular free courses here is a YouTube Starter Blueprint that teaches the quickest ways to get to your first $1,000 per month, as well as the tools I used to grow this channel to over $500 per day. This community is a great way to network with and learn from successful people, get feedback, and find inspiration. And, again, it's totally free, so come hang out with us there. Will you be making YouTube content in the geography niche? What ideas do you have? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.